Sa previous vid, tinalakay natin ang tatlong age-based rules sa pediatric dose formulas. And now, we will proceed sa based on weight. Hello everyone, I am Hannah Grace, a second-year pharmacy student, and here's what I've learned during my first year. Sa Clark's rule, ito ang ating working formula. Yung 115 na nakikita nyo dyan ay estimate siya ng weight ng isang individual who likely would receive an adult dose. Now, try natin gamitin. A 6-year-old child weighing 19.27 kilograms is prescribed paracetamol for fever. The adult dose of paracetamol is 500 milligrams every 6 hours. Using Clark's rule, calculate the appropriate dose per administration for the child in milligrams and the total amount of paracetamol the child will receive if the medicine is given every 6 hours for 4 days. So sa problem na to, dalawa ang hinihingi, dose per administration at total amount ng paracetamol na marireceive ng bata kung ang gamot ay given every 6 hours for 4 days. So we have our given 19.27 kilograms at 500 milligrams. So dahil nasa Clark's rule tayo, kailangan nating i-convert ang given na kilograms to pounds. So, para gawin yon, 19.27 kilograms times, natatandaan nyo pa ba ang conversion ng kilograms to pounds? Tandaan nyo merong 2.2 pounds sa 1 kilogram. And cancel similar units, we will get 42.394 pounds. Ate, bakit po hindi siya 2 decimal places? Ang advice sa amin ng mga prof namin kapag nagko-compute, huwag kaming magra-round up or round off hanggat hindi pa final answer. So dahil na-convert na natin yung kilograms to pounds, yun ang gagamitin natin sa formula. 42.394 over 150 times 500, ang makukuha nating sagot ay 141.31 milligrams. So dito, pwede tayong mag-round off dahil hinahanap naman talaga siya sa tanong. Pero pag ipoproceed na natin siya sa second question, gagamitin natin yung original answer na lumabas sa calculator, which is 141.31,333,333. So yung overline na makikita nyo sa taas ng 33, ibig sabihin nun, repeated number siya. So dimensional analysis, gamitin natin yun, 141.3133, may overline, over 1 dose. Times, since yung gamot ay bigay every 6 hours, need natin i-divide yung 24 hours, 6 hours. And makukuha natin ay 4. So, ibig sabihin, may 4 doses sa loob ng isang araw. Then, ita-times natin siya sa 4 days, which is the regimen. Cancel similar units and proceed to solving. Answer is 2,261.01 milligrams. Dito, nag-round off na tayo since final answer na siya. O, di ba? Nakaka-4 na tayo. Konti na lang matatapos na tayo sa calculation of doses. Kaya, stay tuned hanggang dulo dahil magagamit mo to lalong-lalo na sa first year. Kung gusto mo pang matuto, just follow me and see you on the next video. Bye!